2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for Air Jordan 11 fans, with 4 major releases already confirmed for the holiday season. Adding even more energy to the lineup is a 5th release, this time a kids' exclusive edition dressed in a sleek black and barely volt colorway. According to early reports from Sneaker Market Row, the sneaker will feature a blend of black, barely volt, and dark raisin. However, official design details and product images have yet to be revealed. While early mock-ups provide a speculative glimpse at the pair's possible appearance, the final retail version may differ significantly in both material selection and color blocking. Continuing the Air Jordan 11's rich tradition of standout holiday drops, this kids-only edition promises to be a must-have addition to the brand's 2025 lineup. As anticipation builds for the October 4th release, fans should stay tuned for the first official images and more in-depth details in the weeks ahead.